In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever scanned a document upside down or received a PDF with mixed orientations, this walkthrough will help you clean it up quickly and keep everything consistent. We'll open the file, select exactly the pages you want to rotate, apply the rotation in the right direction, and then save your changes so they stick. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load. Then open the PDF you want to edit. You can go to File, Open, and choose your document, or simply drag and drop the file into Acrobat. A quick tip before you begin. If you're working with an important file, consider saving a copy so you can always revert to the original if needed. Next, get ready to choose the pages you want to rotate. Look for the Page Thumbnails panel on the left side of the window. If you don't see it, click the small Page Thumbnails icon to reveal it. You can also switch to the Organize Pages view from the Tools tab, which gives you a larger grid of thumbnails, handy when you're working with a lot of pages. To select a single page, click its thumbnail once. You'll see it highlighted. If you need to pick specific non-adjacent pages, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking each thumbnail you want. If you select one by mistake, keep holding the same key and click it again to deselect. For a continuous range, click the first page in the sequence, then hold Shift and click the last page in that range. Acrobat will grab everything in between. And if you want to rotate the entire document, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all pages at once. With your pages selected, head to the top toolbar and click the rotation icons. Choose counterclockwise to rotate left or clockwise to rotate right. Each click turns the pages by 90 degrees. If a page needs a full 180-degree flip, click the same rotation button twice. Note that this changes the actual page orientation, not just the on-screen view, exactly what you want when preparing a final PDF. Finally, save your document to lock in the new orientations. Click File, Save to update the existing file, or File, Save. As if you prefer to keep a separate version, scroll through your pages to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. You've rotated pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro and saved the results, so your PDF is ready to share or print.